Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Crop Recommender System using Machine Learning Approach, which is an IEEE 2021 conference paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So in this project, the authors have proposed a concept of recommending the crops using various machine learning algorithms such as SVM, artificial neural network, random forest, multivariate linear regression, and KNN. And the author has stated that among them all, the random forest showed the best results. So we'll be implementing using the random forest algorithm. And while coming to the flow of the project, you can see that the author has mentioned that tracking the location using the Android mobile, but here as a Python project we are not going to use any Android mobile. Instead, the user should able to enter the location details manually, and then here we have split it as three parts, that is, one is yield prediction, other is the crop prediction, and the final one is like fertilizer recommending based on the rainfall. And here you can see the screens where it will be showing the crop yield prediction for a specific crop, and this is for crop recommender system and also the fertilizer timing. So now let us see the execution of the project. So just copy the source code location, just go to the command prompt and type the location and then type python app.py. And now you can see the URL. Just copy the URL, go to your browser, paste it. So now you can see the home screen or a welcome screen of the project with the project title Crop Recommender System using Machine Learning Approach. And first thing is login part, and kindly note that this is a static login because we have not used any database here, because we are going to use the machine learning approach. So you need to enter the static username and password, that is admin, and then click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the upload part. So here in the upload part, you need to upload the data set for training the system. So just click browse and select the upload.csv file which is given in the source code location, and then click upload. And once after clicking the upload, the data set will be uploaded and it will be previewed. Kindly wait for that. And now the loading is completed. Now you can see the data set. You can preview the data set. So the data set consists of various features such as ID, state name, season, crop, area, production, and soil type. And also note that, so here you can see the state name where it consists of various states, maximum all the states that is available in India. You can see the states such as Andaman Nicobar Island, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Kashmir, Manipur, Rajasthan. So you can just scroll down till the end of the page and you can see the complete data set here. And here you can see the data set consists of record which is around 23,320, and end of the page you can see the click to train or test button. Just click the click to train or test button and you can see the training is finished message. Once if you click OK, it will be navigated to the first part, that is crop yield prediction. So for the crop yield prediction, first thing is like you wanted to enter your state name. So let me enter Puducherry and let me enter crop banana, and you need to enter your area size. For example, let me enter 400, and what is the soil type? Sandy, red, black. So you can just enter your soil type and then click submit, and now you can see the production result will be around 9890 kg and the yield will be around 24,725 kgs for per acre. This is for per acre. And let me show you with some other states and other crops also. So let me state Tamil Nadu, crop is around groundnut and area which is around 500, and you can select soil type as clay and click submit, and now you can see the production will be around 13,275 kgs and the yield will be around 26,550 kgs per acre. So like that you can check with any other places also. So for example, let me show you with Andhra Pradesh crop dry chilies area. You can select something around 700 and soil type, let me select red and click submit, and now you can see the production result of it and what is the yield for acre. And after the yield prediction you can see the crop prediction. So here in the crop prediction, so you will not be having the crop, instead it will be predicting the crop according to the location and the input. For example, let me give Puducherry and let me give my sand as red and let me give my area as 400 and click submit, and now you can see the crop predicted is groundnut. So like that you can do it for other states also. So let me give something clay, what is the area which is around 700 and click submit, and now you can see the crop recommended is onion. So Andhra Pradesh, let me click red, area is around 800 and click submit, and now you can see the crop predicted is maize. So in such way you can able to do it with any other places also with different types of soil type locations and what is the area, and here you can see the crop recommended now is sugarcane. And the third part is the weather forecast and fertilizer usage can be done or not. So for weather forecast you need to enter your location. So let me enter my location as Pondicherry and click forecast, and now you can see the forecast of Puducherry today is 32.38, which is overcast clouds, and you can see day after tomorrow has light rain, which is temperature 30.29%, and next day you can see the light rain. And kindly note that here for weather prediction we have used API, so you need to have your internet connection. So in case if you're not having your active internet connection, you will not be getting these results here. So here you can see if no heavy rains predicted in the upcoming days, then you can add fertilizer. In case if heavy rains is predicted in upcoming days, you should not add fertilizer. So these are the result that is being shown in the screenshots. Here you can see you can add fertilizer, no heavy rains predicted in the next 15 days. So here in weather forecast, let me give some other location, say Tamil Nadu, and click forecast, and here you can see the details here, the temperature. So let me give Hyderabad and click forecast, and here you can see the results with scattered clouds, light rain, broken clouds, overcast clouds, such as. So this is the weather report part, and final part is the chart part. So here this is a static graph. So here we are not used any database, so we cannot give any dynamic database here. So it is a static chart, so which is being displayed from the data set that we have taken. So here you can see the chart consists of around which consists of rice, paddy, cotton, coconut and sugarcane, and what all the soil occurred area, which consists of maximum with the clay as with the 45.8 percentage, and sandy around 29.2 percentage, black sand which is around 8.3, red is also equivalent to that 8.3, and alluvial is also equivalent to it, which is around 8.3 percentage. So this is all the soil that has been available in the data set. And this is all about the project crop recommender system using machine learning approach. And thank you for watching.